How you feel me, honey, out? How you feel me, baby? Whoa! I take you out, pick your ball and shout up. Do you in the bedroom and I do you all about you know? Because I'm reaching, I really love your peaches. The way you're kinda nice, you know we're gonna take the peaches. And from the beaches, and that's how we treat it when we're walking on the beaches.
Looking at the beaches.
Yeah! Yeah, baby! Yeah, baby! Yeah, baby!
That's a good one.
Oh, that's a good look, man.
That's a good one.
You out there getting a good look, man. You out there, Barry, getting a good look, man. Oh, 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 oh. Down on the beaches. Down on the beaches. Down on the beaches. Walking on the beaches, looking at the beaches. Ah. One thing about Aberdeen. I know you got some lovely beaches down there, and I'm gonna pick one. Let me tell you about one I know. This girl, she like it. Her bands are born, she like it. Sundays as a store. She likes it when the shine is burning, something on the floor. She like the joy I bring when I'm feeling the pain. Especially when I'm fucking and she says, say my name. She likes when I make her put the pink in her head. Her ways and her flex are on my palm in her face. She ain't no average leg skirt. You know she gets it when we're walking on the beach. Looking at the beaches. Ah, down on the beaches.